Increased activity at Russia's airbase in Latakia amid reports of military pullback. The Russian airbase in Syria port city of Latakia has been heightened activity in recent days, raising questions about Moscow's military strategy in the region. The increased movement of equipment and personnel comes as report of critical that Russia may be scaling back its military presence in Syria, where it has been a key ally to President Bashar Assad since intervening in the country's civil war in 2015. Heightened activity at Hmeimim Air Base. The Hmeimim Air Base, Russia's main military hub in Syria, has been abuzz with logistic operations, including the transportation of vehicles, military hardcore, and aircraft. Satellite images and local sources have confirmed intensified movements, fueling speculation about whether Russia is preparing for a strategic redeployment or reorganization of its forces. Despite the activity, officials in Moscow have remained tight-lipped about their intentions. Analysts suggest this could signal either a partial drawdown or a restructuring of Russia's military footprint as Syrian conflict evolves and Moscow's global priorities shift. Unconfirmed reports suggest that Russia is withdrawing certain units and equipment from Syria, possibly as part of a broader realignment of its resources. These reports align with the sign of economic strain in Russia and the increasing demands of its military campaign in Ukraine. Observers note that Moscow may be redirecting its focus on assets to address challenges closest to home while maintaining a minimal presence in Syria to safeguard its strategic interest. Russia's involvement in Syria has been critical in bolstering Assad's regime, helping reclaim vast swaths of territory from opposition forces and extremist groups. However, with much of the Syria under Assad's control and the immediate threat of regime collapse diminished, some experts believe that Moscow may now feel confident in reducing its active engagement. Now let's talk about implications for Syria. If Russia scaled back its military presence, it could leave a significant void in Syria's security landscape. The Syrian government has relied heavily on Russian air support, intelligence, and ground forces in its fight against Operation Factions. A reduced Russian footprint might embolden rival powers, including Turkey, Israel, and Iran, to expand their influence in the region. Moreover, the pullback could create opportunities for extremist groups like ISIS to regroup in pockets of instability. Analysts caution that even a modest reduction in Russian forces might destabilize the fragile balance of power in Syria, where multiple actors compete for control. Russian potential pullback could also alter the dynamics of its rivalry with Western powers in the Middle East. The United States, which maintains a smaller but significant military presence in Syria, may view Moscow's repositioning as an opportunity to counterbalance Russian influence. At the same time, increased activity at Latakia suggests that Russia is not planning a full withdrawal. Moscow is likely to retain control of critical assets such as Hmeimim Air Base and the naval facility of Tartus, ensuring its ability to project power in the Mediterranean and protect its geopolitical interest. As reports of Russia's military pullback in Syria gain traction, the heightened activity at Latakia underscored the complexity. This was Amna Tariq reporting, and you were watching Desi TV USA. Stay tuned for more interesting updates. Allah Hafiz.